What am I cutting and why am I cutting? I'll tell you in a second. What I'm cutting is this 10-inch Kicker Solo ported box. It's too damn wide for my trunk and my Stallion. We're going on a big ride tomorrow. You know, that makes 2 rides for the month of July. And if you know anything about us Chicagoans, us bikers, us people that's in the cars like myself as well, we ain't going nowhere if our sounds are bogus. So my brand new Kicker BassTube 10-inch 10-inch woofer on one side, competition R series, and a 10-inch radiator speaker on the other side, brand new, stopped working. So I'm waiting for that to be replaced. In the meantime, I went and bought this box with the Kicker 10-inch square speaker, but the damn box is too wide for my Thoroughbred Stallion trunk. So my old Master Touch skills from the early 90s, baby. Big up to my Unc Larry for giving me a chance and man, building boxes for everybody from the low end all the way to the hundreds and beyond. So plus I'm a contractor by trade, you know, Navy Seabees represent. Just never wanted to do it for a living as a civilian. But we're gonna get this box cut down to size, do some reconfigurations, and I'm gonna have me some sound for tomorrow. So wait till the finished product.
Chicago hustle, hustle, hustle. Sun up to the moonlight. Gotta make it double.
Yep.
That'll work.
Don't wait.
Don't hesitate.
Call your people.
Fill the tank.
Say a prayer.
This is a temporary fix. One would even say this is an emergency. I'm not going on no long ride without my sounds right. So for you so-called audio experts, don't get in the inbox talking about, oh, let's not, shut the hell up. We didn't ask your opinion. This is temporary. And yes, I know how to build anything with my hands. But when you know trades will never let you down when you can get down in whatever trade of choice you were blessed to learn, pursue, master even. So when you got a sealed or ported box like this one, this was a ported box. I was going to make it sealed, but it's like, why recreate the wheel? Just keep it ported and just change the dimensions like I did everything else. But regardless, when you have a sealed or ported subwoofer box, you want all seams to be screwed together and glued to prevent the sound in the bass subwoofer box from coming out from areas that you don't want them to come out. So real straightforward. And again, this is temporary until I get my brand new replacement Kicker BassTube back, or go in a whole nother direction. If this sounds good, I will dress this up cosmetically better later. It gets greater later. But this is what we do. This is the Chicago way. No excuses. Get it done. Only thing that's needed is to put these push-in connectors right here.
You on it, I'm on it, we're on it. United we rise and we here to stay.
Negative, positive. Boom, look at that. Perfect fit. You call yourself a carpenter, especially if you were honored to be Navy Seabee like I was, or current, like all carpenters, builders know. Measure twice, cut once. All right, let's wire this up. Put it in the Stallion and see if it's banging like it was before I cut it to death. Stay right there. Alright. Let's see if we can get this thing working. It literally should just be a matter of plugging these wires in, negative, positive, so we can keep it moving.
Black is beautiful.
Alright, keep our fingers crossed.
Life moves fast, don't waste the day. Tomorrow isn't promised, so we ride our way. No room for hate, no room for fear. Just engines roaring loud for everyone to hear.
This is the way we roll.
There we go.
This is the way we roll.
Just like the song said, this is the way we roll on the biggest ride. Thanks for watching. See us tomorrow on the ride to Des Plaines. That's where we going. I'll at y'all.
In Chicago,
South Street,
we in the heat.
to the highway,
Back roads,
scenic view.
windy